Welcome back to a new video, guys. Today we are going to talk about how to on notification on lock screen, guys. How can you on your notification on lock screen, guys? Today we will talk about this topic. So before starting video, friends, I want to tell you, if you're new in my channel, so please go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my video. So friends, let's start video. So friends, first of all, what will you have to do, friends? Open your setting app. After that, guys, come on display, click on advanced and come on lock screen. So as you can see, notification on lock screen, guys, you want to on. So guys, click here, show all notification contact, guys, click here. So guys, your notification lock screen will on, guys. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching my video, friends. We will meet on next video with new topic. Before, guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel, and guys, do you have any doubt, so you can ask me in comment section, I will tell you. Okay friends, bye bye.